Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Discord on phone while playing games. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your Discord application on your mobile phone. After opening the application, you will have to simply click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then navigate to the settings option by clicking the setting icon at the top right of the screen. Now, you will see your account settings on this page, your payment settings, app settings, and support. What you'll have to do is simply search for voice tool under app settings. Click on voice that says voice activity and you'll be on this page. On this page, you'll have to make sure that you enable this switch on. That is the overlay switch. It says enable mobile voice overlay. See who's talking and access shortcuts while using other apps and connect it to the voice. Toggle this switch on and go back. Now, what you'll have to do is simply get connected to any of the voice channels you have. For example, I can click on lounge, get connected to this lounge by joining the voice. Now, you will see a small overlay appearing at your screen, this small circle. So, you can start any game on your mobile phone now. So, you'll have to click on your profile icon and you get the option to get invite link, switch channels and open Discord while playing this game. You can even end this call by clicking on the end button. So while you're playing this game, you can easily use Discord with this feature. You can switch channels, get invite link, open Discord by clicking here, chat with anyone, then take this down, get back and start your game again. So that's how you use Discord on phone while playing games. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.